being in a third world country, visiting here, it's been fun to see just the method in which they find a way to get things done. For example, the other day we overheated our van on the way to this place far away and saw this radiator shop on the side of the road. So we stopped there. They pulled out both radiators, took a torch, disassembled the whole thing and like unwelded all the brackets and everything, flushed it out, used a stick to go through like all the different fins and everything, and then welded it all back together and put it back together. We would have just thrown that radiator away like any day of the week in the States. So pretty cool. But I've stumbled across another car wash and I'm sporting a new ride today as well. I've got this little tricycle right here. They call it a couldnt tricycle because it's not your passenger style tricycle. It is a goods hauler basically. I've seen them put pigs in this thing and fruits, vegetables, sacks of rice, whatever you can figure out. Go check out this other car wash. I saw it along the highway and it looks like it's actually a very clean setup as well. So we're gonna take this tricycle over there. But it's just crazy, guys. I've seen all sorts of stuff while being out here visiting Philippines. Even as far as, what do they call it? A Wi-Fi Peso vending machine. So like in front of these little houses and stores, you walk up and put pesos in and it gives you time to use the Wi-Fi. I personally haven't tried it or anything, but pretty crazy how they find a way to sell goods and services just about any way they can. So fun stuff. Let's head out and go check out that other car wash. All right, so check out this one. This is actually a pretty nice setup. They've got it all inside of a cabinet here. Same thing though, different timers for the different mechanisms, but they have a second water function. And I talked to the owner already and she already said that they set up a second unit because it's doing really well. But this is along a pretty major highway anyway, so let's give it a shot. Let's try. All right, same routine. I've got my 5 peso coins ready to go here, and we're gonna go to water number 1, or rinse first. Oh, it says hold the hose, but I forgot to. I don't know if you saw that at the end there, but it's got this cool little tip on the that you can rotate and change your fan to dialed in or super wide. So that's cool. It worked good. All right, this is what I'm most interested in is the shampoo. So 5 pesos again, and she said it gives you 40 seconds. We're gonna try a different camera angle because the vibration from the air compressor tipped the camera over. So now you can see the vending machine, the car wash machine back here, and you can watch me go with it. But I was pretty impressed with the shampoo. Let's give it another round and see what you guys think. Pretty cool, right? It's a solid stream, no tip or anything. It's just a straight hose with the little handle grab on here, but it just spits out a ton of foam. All right, now for this last one, it's a different hose, and she said the pressure's a little bit different, but you get longer time. So, one more go. All right, so I actually like this car wash pretty good. It's got a lot of space to it and it's got all those functions you guys saw. But check this surprise out too. The owner runs this little store next door too, so she showed me this. They also have a blower on a vending machine, so I gotta give that a try. All right, so just check out the setup. It's actually pretty ingenious. Just a standard little blower on a 5 peso timer here. All right, guys, we got the tricycle back, parked underneath the mango tree. So that's a wrap. Super fun video to make for you guys while I'm out here playing around, going to beaches, checking out the farms, all that stuff. Let me know in the comments what you guys, the craziest things you guys have seen traveling, seeing different services. Doesn't even have to be car washes. Like I say, I saw those Wi-Fi vendos. I see them selling cigarettes by the stick out here, just like in any other third world country. So I'm interested to hear what other stories you guys have from traveling the world and seeing how they do it. All right, peace out, guys. We'll see you.